Hello everyone! Tonight we celebrate Compass High School's graduating class of 2020 in a special, unprecedented way. We are practicing social distancing and congratulating each other with high fives from afar. And yes, we've had to make a few changes, adjustments, thinking outside the box to create this graduation ceremony tonight. But that's just what Compass High School is all about. Thinking outside the box, making adjustments, changes, all for the better good. Life does throw us some curves, but what I do know is that all of you graduating tonight have learned to meet those challenges head on, embracing adversities like a walk in the park. You are all amazing. Some of you were asking me yesterday, how do I know what path to take after I graduate? Well, the truth is, you don't know yet. You've got to learn to dream big and find what you love and get really good at it. Listen to your voice. It always knows the truth. Be grateful, laugh, and just do you. So relax, breathe. You are graduating tonight. We celebrate you. This is your time, your journey. I am so proud of you and so grateful to be a small part of your life. Please take care of yourselves and come and visit whenever you can. I'm going to miss you. Congratulations to all of you, class of 2020.